What is up, Tech Gang? Stefan here from TechRight. Today I'm going to be showing you how to block any caller on the LG Stylo 4. Stay tuned. Alright guys, so this can be very simple. I've been getting a ton of comments saying, yo, I've been getting hit up by random people on their new LG Stylo 4 and they do not know how to block people on here. So this is actually how you do it. First thing you want to do is go to the dialer pad, and we're going to have three dots in the top right corner. We're going to go ahead and click on those, and it's going to say speed dial, default screen, Q slide, and call settings. We're going to want to click on call settings at that point. And you're going to get all these options right here. Obviously, you guys can go ahead and turn on whatever options you want. I have VoLTE, Wi-Fi calling. If you want to turn Wi-Fi calling off, you guys can go ahead and do that as well. Answer and end calls settings as well. But to block calls, you're going to want to click on call blocking and decline with message. Now there's going to be a ton of different options you guys can use right here. Now it says decline with message, add or edit decline messages for incoming calls. So you guys can actually add your own message when you decline calls. So maybe it's personalized for someone like your husband, your kids, or something like, hey, I'm at work, don't call right now, or something like that. You can actually add a message and you can decline a call with a message, your own personalized message, which I think is actually pretty cool. The next thing is block numbers, block calls and messages from certain numbers. So you guys can go ahead and add certain numbers in here. So maybe it's an ex or some random stalker hitting you up every single day. You can actually add their number in this and it's going to block them as soon as they try to call you. It's going to also block their messages as well. Second to last option we have right here is digit filter. Now you can actually block calls based on the starting or ending of their digits in the number. So we're going to go ahead and click on here. This is going to be really good for telemarketers because you know if they use that 1-800 or those last ending numbers, you guys can actually put those in here and it's going to block their call straight away. I know I get pissed off a lot when the telemarketers call. This is a prepaid network, so you are going to be getting calls like that from people who used to have that number. So yeah, if you guys want to go ahead and block the starting or ending of a number, just input it in here and you should be golden. My last and absolute favorite option has to be blocking private numbers. So all we have to do to reject all calls from private numbers is go like this, because if someone actually wanted to reach you, they wouldn't call you privately. So if you guys want to block calls from private numbers, go ahead and turn this on. Make sure it's blue like that. If you don't want it on, turn it off and it's going to gray out like that. But you should probably have it on at all times. But yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, please leave a like down below, as well as subscribing if you guys are not a part of the Tech Gang already. Also hit that notification bell if you guys want to be notified every time I do upload a video. Without further ado, this has been Stefan from TechRight. Peace out, Tech Gang.